Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Aspiring Entrepreneur. I'm your host Hamza Chowdhury, and welcome to our first 1 minute recap of stocks, where I hope to basically recap a stock and my sort of analysis within a minute, and hopefully you find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to add something below in the comment section and let me know if there's a certain symbol that you'd like me to take a look at. With that said, guys, let's jump right in. All right, let's get this timer started. And let's begin. So we saw this massive sell-off in Tesla on Friday, like most of the market, and you can see that the green volume bars here are extremely small. Got a great bounce at the stock at the 380 mark. So what I did is I went ahead on my daily chart and I put that as support, and our resistance is a line at around 460, which we got rejected, and we had the breakout that we called a couple weeks ago, which also got rejected. And now you can see that we're in this Bollinger Band. We're in this sort of channel where we were consolidating for a long, sort of for an extended period of time. And then all of a sudden, guess what? Now we're on the lower band, which indicates a bearish signal, right? So we have the lower band. We had a bounce on the 380, which is the screen support line, and our next one, which is where this purple anchorage VWAP line is over at the 340-ish range. So that means if we fail again at 380, I would be looking to add to any long position around the 340 range. Okay, guys, so with that said, the market's been selling off. We are trading in the down channel here, so just be careful with your longs. All right, guys, best of luck. Thank you.